Alright traders, today's the day where you're going to get to see me take a loss. I took a loss on AGEN. This one I really thought was a nice setup. It was a higher float stock, so I didn't like that. But I loved the multiple areas of support where I was getting in at, and it didn't work out, so I took a loss. The thing is, I still stuck to the plan. I got in right support, it wasn't holding up, I got out. The dark side is still in me though, because I ended up taking a short on MRIN, still green on the day. Hope you guys learned something. What I tell you guys in pre-market, LMFA is a known pump. This is likely going to retest the highs from pre-market and then start pulling back. As this was sitting around that 144, 145 area, I told the guys, listen, 150 break, that's an entry. Do not hold this long though. Sell up near pre-market highs. And that's what we're seeing right now. We're getting a push on up, hit a high of 170. 175 is going to be tough resistance. This is definitely an area to sell. AGEN, I'm going to pick up 500 shares right around this level, 275. And I cut out on AGN as it's continuing to fall. I told you guys, this was certainly a good buy area, 275. Yeah, I wanted it off of that 275 area because if we look at the past chart history, 275 is holding up really nice as support there and here as well. Also, we had the 200-day moving average at 275 as well. We'll see if it can bounce and then get back up through that 275 area, because it might try to get kind of a bounce off of 267 here. We'll see. I knew my risk going into it. I cut my loss. That's okay. We'll move on to the next one. MRIN, this one is easy to borrow. I'm going to see if this one can test that 650. Ooh, look at that pop. I'm going to short it right here. Starter position, 200 shares at 670. This might keep running on up to about $7. That's why it's a starter position, guys. We do 3 entries. 1 entry when we think it's right, 1 entry when it's even better, and then when the stock actually confirms what you were thinking, so it starts breaking down, you can add more there as well. If this thing moves up to about that $7 area, I am going to look to add there as well. But I definitely wanted to take a starter position on this as it was coming up, near these pre-market highs. If we look at the 3-year chart on MRIN, we got this trend line just going downward, and it's hit this about at $7, maybe a little bit over it. So I don't suspect it's really going to get over that, guys. Right now we are pulling back quite a bit here. Probably going to look to take profits here shortly. Took profits right around this level here because I'm actually might look to pick this up around this VWAP 90 MA. Sells off a little bit more, I'll look to buy this. Isn't that the dream, guys? Sell high, buy low on a short, and then buy low, sell high on a long position. Alright, I just picked this up now at 632, and I'm selling into that little pop right there, 643. So just made 11 cents off of that. Thank you traders so much for watching. Really hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.